Alright, today we're gonna go ahead and look at this shackles for the leaf spring from CJ Pony. Let's open this baby up. Quite a good of packing. Oops, there we go. Something flying over. A little bit of marketing here and there, but oh well. Some invoices. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the main bad boy here. Let's see what we got. Alright, let's pop this baby up. Quite a good packing here. Not to mention, here's the part number. Sorry you guys could not see that one. I'll leave it in the description. But look at all that. New shackles with bushing. Let's screw it. Oops, drop that. Alright, let's take a closer look at it. I've disassembled that. Quite a good thickness here. Sure it won't bend, but only time will tell. You got the two bushings that go on both the sides, and look at that. They tacked up, those poles right in the middle, but they were alright. I think they could have done a better job at there. I chose this black finish because that's what I was going for. Usually it does come in a bare metal as well. Let's go ahead and put this back up and see what else is, in there. And the nut does have a rubber threading to make sure that due to the vibration doesn't actually fall off. And that's the second piece right there. I'm not going to go through it, but let's see what else we got. Okay, we do have these long bolts here. Now, description does say, well, can't read again. Sorry, auto zoom doesn't work apparently. Alright, let's see what we got. We have the stainless steel long bolts. Looks like the nut has an inbuilt washer and some threading done to it, so it won't actually get out. I'm just gonna go ahead and put that aside for now. Let's see what else we got. Now, we do have this U-joint bolts. Open this baby up and check and see what's going on here. Wow, nice and greased up, so no rust there. Same thing, the bolts have inbuilt washers with them. Don't know the exact name of it, but you guys can go ahead and figure that one out. But they're quite good as far as sturdy. They all come everything in a packet. I do have the leaf spring from CJ Pony as well. Let me see if I can find those real quick, but let me go ahead and put these back where they belong, and those goes back in the same pocket. All right, let's wrap this up.